What are the benefits of installing CCTV cameras in your house, in your business place? So I'll just say few benefits, and I equally want to hear your opinion about this. So now, number one benefit is it helps you to gather evidence. It helps you, it gives you evidence should in case anything bad happens around your premises. Yes, and that evidence is very important. Now, we had a client that the house almost caught fire. So she accused the asset for causing the fire. But on playing the CCTV camera footage, we observed that it was the gas cylinder that just exploded on its own. So that exonerated the asset. You see, so if there was no CCTV, the asset would have been in big trouble. Number two is that CCTV camera helps, it serves as a psychological buffer to petty thieves. When a camera is positioned around your premises, whether the camera is working or not, petty thief will not want to, or petty thief criminals will not want to do anything bad around that premises. So that alone is a good thing, you understand? So I want I want to ask you, what do you think are benefits of installing CCTV cameras? Drop your thoughts on the comment section, rather in the comment section. Please subscribe to this channel for more security tips. See you in my next video.